guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda, and if you love home decor, then you're in the right place. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Today I'm bringing you guys along with me to good old Homegoods, so keep on watching.
It feels like I pretend, keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Alright guys, this trip's gonna be a little bit different because it's gonna be in collaboration with two of my favorite ladies here on YouTube. I'm actually on my way there. I can't wait to share with you guys who it is. We have a little bit of a challenge in store, so let's go ahead and get going. I'll see you guys when we get there. Are you ready to see who I'm about to go to Homegoods with? Miss Beautiful Jessica J.
Hey!
And the beautiful Miss Hannah.
Hi guys! Alright guys, so we are doing a Homegoods challenge, and what we're going to do is each one of us represents kind of a different home decor style. If you guys follow us, you guys will know this. So we're going to go into Homegoods, and each one of us have to pick an item, a home decor item that best represents that person's style. Then we're going to take those items home, do a blind reaction, and then we have to show you how we style each person's pick in our home. So.
Ooh, this is about to be a challenge, guys.
Right.
Let's go.
Who knows one another the best?
Oh,
Right.
that's the real question.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I'm about to take you guys inside with me, so let's get going. All right, guys, so I have to try to find something for each one of these ladies. So Hannah, I know she loves restoration hardware. I feel like she would love something like this. It's very resto inspired. And Jess, she loves the accent black. So this is definitely gonna be a challenge, but let's see what they have. These are really cute. I like how it's the gold and black accent with the crystal on top. I feel like Jessica would definitely love this piece. Okay, look at this piece, you guys. Wow. Super restoration hardware inspired. I feel like Hannah would truly enjoy this piece. This is stunning, you guys. If you don't like the color, you can always spray paint it. Wow. This is really pretty. Okay, so this is pretty. I love the texture. Let's see, how much is this guy? Oh, there's no price on it. I love the color to it too. I know they both have their backyards that they're working on, so they would love this. It's a really neutral tone. You guys, it doesn't have a price. They have bigger sizes as well. That's the smaller size, that's the bigger size. Then they have this one right here. It's just solid. Wow, this is heavy, you guys. Super heavy. But this will be a really good addition too for their backyard. They have really pretty pots right now. So they have a ton of new cutting boards. These are marble. These are pretty. I like these. These are different. Let's see, how much are they? You guys, I feel like there's no price on a lot of the things. But these are nice. I like how small they are. They're a different shape than your usual cutting board. You can always find really good cutting boards at Homegoods, guys. I personally don't need one, but I do like the ones that I'm seeing. They have really pretty ones. Okay, so I made my way to the art section. Let's see if they have any good pieces. You guys know I'm actually on the hunt for an art piece myself, so if I do see something that I like, I would definitely show you guys. Ooh, this is interesting. Ooh, I feel like Jessica would really enjoy this piece. I know she's a big fan of Sarah Brooks, so I feel like that's a good one. Or these right here. They're very restoration hardware inspired. I actually have some of these. I've talked about them a few times. These are really good pieces. Okay guys, look at this ottoman. I feel like Miss Jessica would totally appreciate a black ottoman. This one is actually $59.99. That's not bad, you guys. If you're looking to add an ottoman to your home and just want to bring in some black accents, this is good. It's like a leather. I really like that. Oh my gosh, I don't know what this is, but do not buy these. Please stay away from these, you guys. Oh my gosh. No. No. No, no, no. All right, guys, so we're back home. I hope you guys enjoyed that shop with me. It was such an honor to get to meet Hannah and Jessica in person. There was so much more than I expected. They were so sweet, so genuine. If you guys are not subscribed to their channel, go subscribe to their channel. Don't waste any time. They have amazing home decor taste, and go follow them on Instagram for daily inspo. I just love them both. They're so genuine, and the fact that we love home decor in general, it just brings us so much more closer together. So you guys want to make sure you go check them out. Now, you guys have to go check out their channels to see what I chose for each one of them. You don't want to miss it, and go see how they style it back at their homes. I'm gonna go ahead and start off by the first piece, which is from Jessica. Now, it's so funny. When she came out with this, I was like, girl, you know me so well. Like, I could not have picked a better piece for myself than this beauty right here. So let me go ahead and show it to you guys. Now, you guys, I was on the hunt for this forever. And you guys know that I have one already, but it is not in this color. This one is 10 times more beautiful than the last. I just love the color. I love just the aesthetic of it. I'm just so obsessed with it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys right here one of the ways that I can style it here in my home. There is so many places that I can put this guy that it will just look so good. I'm actually thinking of investing in a pedestal that I can put him on in a corner somewhere, and I'm super excited to really play with this piece here in my home. You guys know that body torsos like these are very Restoration Hardware inspired, and the fact that Homegoods has came out with so many, it's just so exciting because they are a fraction of the price cheaper. Like, they're just so much more affordable at Homegoods rather than trying to go buy one from Restoration Hardware. So, highly recommend you guys keep an eye out. And again, thank you, Jessica, for finding this piece for me. Girl, you could not have known me any better. I am absolutely obsessed with him. Now, this next piece is from Hannah. Obviously, like I said, you guys, when she brought it out, it was so hard for her to try to hide it from me. Like, I really wanted to be able to come home and just open it up here with you guys, but because it's so big, I couldn't do that. So, I right away saw in person when she gave me this piece that it was just so my aesthetic, and she knows me pretty well. I really hope that she enjoys the piece that I got for her too. So like I said earlier, you guys have to go check out their channels to go see what I got for them. But yeah, let me show you guys this piece that she got for me. Oh, it is heavy, you guys. It is this beautiful lamp. Look at the bottom. Oh, how good is that? And it is heavy. It is a beautiful marble and gold accent lamp. I am so obsessed with this. She could not have found me a better piece as well. These girls just know me. They know me so well. They know my aesthetic. They know my color palettes. And I love that with this lamp, I could utilize it anywhere. I could put it on a nightstand. I could put it on an entryway. I could put it on a media console. Anywhere that I put this lamp, it's gonna look so good. It's very sturdy, very good quality, very heavy, you guys. So be careful where you put it. Make sure that it's somewhere that it's pretty sturdy for this type of lamp. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a clip of where I chose to put this one right here. I'm sure it's probably not gonna stay there because you guys are aware that I'm waiting on a couple of more furniture pieces to come in. So these pieces are gonna be moving around my home, and I can't wait for you guys to see how I style them. I'm just obsessed with the aesthetic. Everything about it is just so minimal, so pretty. Such a good piece to have. Yeah, you guys, that completes today's video. This was such a fun challenge to do. I love how these girls just nailed it. They nailed it. I could not have picked up better pieces at Homegoods for myself if I had the chance to. They know me so well, and I feel like these pieces are very modern, very minimalist, very neutral. So if you guys see them at your Homegoods, make sure you pick them up. Once again, go ahead and check out Miss Hannah and Miss Jessica's YouTube channel. I'll link it down below. Go give them a huge thumbs up on their videos, and make sure you guys tune into my next video. Join my YouTube family if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and give this video a huge thumbs up. I hope you guys had a lot of fun with this one, and I'll catch you guys all on my next video. Bye.